Hey guys, today I'm doing camera test comparison between the Oppo Find X9 Pro versus iPhone 17 Pro Max. Two flagship cameras, two different philosophies, and me trying not to trip over while filming 4K footage outdoors. We're testing everything: video quality, ultra-wide, night mode, and photo comparison. Basically, if it has a lens, we're pointing it at something. Right now, you're watching 4K 60 frames per second straight from both phones. And honestly, the hardware on these things keeps getting more ridiculous every year. The Find X9 Pro is rocking a 50 megapixel main, 50 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 200 megapixel telephoto. Meanwhile, iPhone 17 Pro Max has triple 48 megapixel camera setup. Alright, switching to the ultra-wide camera. This is the ultra-wide shot from the Oppo in 4K 60, and honestly, it looks really clean. The dynamic range is solid, the colors look natural, and the stabilization is extremely smooth. And since we're talking about shooting video, especially ultra-wide handheld stuff, let me show you something that has honestly made filming on the iPhone way less annoying. Because you know how every year Apple hypes the iPhone camera as professional, but the second you start filming, you realize you're holding a very expensive bar of soap? Yeah, this fixes that. This is the Telesin Master Grip for the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. And the moment you snap this thing on with MagSafe, your phone suddenly feels like a real camera. A proper ergonomic handle, balanced weight, stable grip, it just feels right in the hand. And it solves the two biggest iPhone video problems: overheating and battery. There's a graphene cooling shell, so the phone doesn't thermal throttle mid-shoot, and the built-in 3200 mAh MagSafe battery keeps your iPhone charged while you film. No dangling cables, no power banks taped to the tripod, no iPhone needs to cool down drama. But my favorite part? Physical camera controls. A real shutter button with half-press focus, a zoom rocker, a mode dial, customizable keys. It gives you that proper camera muscle memory that touch controls just can't replicate. And because it's MagSafe, you can mount lights, mics, tripods, whatever your setup looks like. So if you shoot travel clips, vlogs, or just quick B-roll on your iPhone, this genuinely levels up the experience. I'll drop a link below if you want to check it out. Alright, back to our camera battle. Next up, night video, also 4K 60. Both phones handle low light surprisingly well, but here's the vibe. The Oppo is noticeably brighter. It picks up details in the shadows that the iPhone kind of ignores. The iPhone goes for a more realistic, natural look, but it's definitely darker. Now let's get into photos. Daylight, low light, night mode, all side by side on your screen. As always, you guys are the judges. Tell me in the comments, which one looks better to your eyes? Team iPhone or Team Oppo? Alright guys, that's it for today's camera battle. Let me know, are you team iPhone, team Oppo, or team why not both if I win the lottery? If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, hit subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.